We knew in our hearts that we wanted to be intentionally different because it's time for a change.
This all started with a conversation over a napkin. What do we like? What don't we like? And that's the start of grabbing things that work, but also finding ways to eliminate the things that don't make any sense.
Because of our experience, we knew that we could do things differently. So we created ZüpMed. ZüpMed is a hybrid between an urgent care facility and
primary care,
as well as modern treatments and holistic care.
Through our concierge setting, we're bringing white glove medical care whenever and wherever you need it. What we're trying to do is to combine the very best of Western medicine
and take the inefficiencies and try to improve upon them
and bring that through an unmatched patient experience. We are a full-service medical clinic staffed by the best.
And every single one of us is committed to giving you a 5-star healthcare experience. It's the philosophy of how we care for people that matters to us.
Our job is to bring comfort and healing as best as we possibly can.
We think this environment does just that.
When you walk in through the lobby, which doesn't have a waiting room because we don't believe that waiting rooms are either efficient nor smart.
We don't like waiting.
At all. None of us do. You're going to be greeted by name.
Welcome to ZüpMed.
Our concierge is going to walk you back to the exam room that has been reserved for you. You're seated in a comfortable zero-gravity recliner, and the next person you see will be the provider who's taking care of you.
We value your time, so we focus on our efficiency. You need to be seen, but you also need to make that 2:30 meeting or pick up the kids from school.
We're going to get you there. Other clinics cannot make that promise. We also have a very modern digital x-ray. More important than our modern digital x-ray is the person behind that camera.
Thanks for coming into Zup. I'll send your x-rays right over to your room.
We at Zup are intentionally different.
Like the way patients have access to our services. You can experience the Zup difference by simply making an appointment online or speaking with our concierge. We'll charge you only for the services that you need. But Zup membership is also available for a very reasonable monthly fee that provides 100% of their urgent and primary care visits throughout the year. You'll only be charged then for extras like lab work or x-rays.
There are many reasons why we don't take insurance, but quite simply, that decision has allowed us to provide this level of care. Younger individuals that may have to pay that very high dollar premium to go see the doctor, they avoid going to the doctor because of it, and yet for less than your cell phone bill, typically a month, it just makes sense. Plus, most patients can still submit what they've paid for to their insurance company for reimbursement.
From the time you call us, we want to begin forming connections with you as the patient. The beginnings of the key to the concierge service is to identify the individual and their personal needs. Some of us need to get in and out very quickly. Some of us need to talk for a while. But there's no doubt the more information that's available, the better decisions we can make. So ZüpMed is fully equipped with our own laboratory.
And the last thing that you want to do when you're not feeling well is have to go somewhere else to get your prescription filled. So instead, we have a small dispensary and can dispense for you a short course of medication, so there is no going to another location.
These are all things that we believe you should expect from your doctor's office.
It was a pleasure taking care of you today.
If you feel better when you leave, then half the battle is already won.